Hello guys, welcome to Carrillo Studio, and on this video I'll be teaching you how to create a grid line. Yes, how to create a grid line. And for the grid line, it's pretty simple and easy to do. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit on the notification bar for you to be alerted whenever I post any video on here. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment below on what you want me to do about concerning AutoCAD. And don't worry, I actually like to read a lot, so I'll have a lot of time to read most of your comments over here. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so let's head to the video and let's see how it goes. So we are in AutoCAD architecture right now, that's 2026 version, and this also works in all the AutoCAD architecture versions. So for this grid line, let's click on the line command, the line tool, or let's type L for the line command. All right. So after selecting the line, so let's type. Let me turn on the orthogonal mode. So I'll type my distance. That's 12,000, and the other side is also 15,000. All right. So now going to use the offset tool for the rest. So choose offset. This is the offset tool, or you can type O in the command line, press enter. So the offset has been selected, and I'll be offsetting using this lines that I've drawn over here. So let me just offset my first line, which is 6,000. So offset T, that's true. Then click on it, the offset 6,000. And my another second line is also 4,100. So 4,100. Yes. And this line is also 1,600. So 1,600. Okay. And I think that's that. And for this line, I'm going to offset it downwards to 4,100. And I'm going to offset another 1,600. 1,600. And that also offset this line again to 1,500. I'm going to offset again to 2,800. 2,800. I'm actually using the matrix version of AutoCAD, and you can also work the same thing with the imperial tool or the global. It will do the same thing. So I'm going to offset this line to again to 4,500. So 4,500, and that's that. And I think I also have to offset. Yeah, let me just leave it that way. It's the same. So don't worry, it's the same. So click on enter. Now I will need to um, adjust my lines, or let me just leave it like that. It's the same, so don't worry. So for me to convert this line to a grid line, I'll need to come to the design or the tool palette. And if you can't find the tool palette, just click on this icon here, the tools, then you find your design tools. When you click on it, it will give you these ones. Okay, so I'm going to my tool palette and go to design and look for grid column grid, this one. So right click on it and they'll ask you grid column, grid layout, or grid or line work. So apply to what line work. So I'll just select my lines and press enter. Now when you look here, it is asking me enter the label extensions. So I'll just click on enter again. And do you want to erase the selected lines? Yes, I want to erase it. I don't want to leave it like this. So I just want to click on what? Yes. And with that, my grid lines have been created. See, my grid lines have been created. See, it's very, very simple to create a grid line in AutoCAD architecture. So let's label the grid lines and let's see how it goes. So said erase selected, yes, yep, and that's that. So I think that's it. So let me let's label the grid line. So you just click on the grid line and edit labels. Click on edit labels. So click on this and now it's asking you to pick the first custom column grid line. So I want to label it ABC from here, from this line. So I just click on this one, that's A, B, C, D, E, and what? F. So now I'll just click on enter and it asks me what value do I want to assign to each grid line. So I'll just click on A, then enter. Now you see my grid line has been labeled easily and accordingly. So let me use the same formula for this one too. So click on this 1, 2, 3, 4. So follow the same procedure, enter, click on 1, also enter. Now my grid line has been created for me, very, very simple and easy. Okay, so I think we will end this video here and we'll continue next time. So once again, thank you for watching this tutorial, and if you have been able to watch it to this far, I and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel and like, also comment what you didn't hear and what you didn't understand. I will reply them to each and everyone to comment. Thank you for watching again and see you in the next video. Bye.